Serving all got you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing a vlog, another day, another vlog. So today I am preparing to go to church, and then my week will begin, I guess. So please watch, like, comment, and subscribe. That would be lovely. And I would appreciate that. So yeah. So now I want to do my hair, but I cannot do it from this angle. And it's really nice. And your one is tall. And then I guess I'll show you guys when I'm done with my hair. And then I'll show you my fit for the day. And then go to church. I shopping up Jimbo's. Shopping Bazalwane. See, there's nothing I can do about it, Joe. So, bye-bye in Bazalwane. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and to those that are new, welcome to the family. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, and also please leave a comment. So today I'll be going to traffic department to write my learner's license for the second time because you expiration. So I'm trying again. Wish me luck. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and those that are new, welcome to the family. Please don't forget to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button, honey. Okay guys, with clean installation. Yes, and thank you. Today's my birthday and I am turning 21, a whole entire 21-year-old, imagine. But anyways, I am going to Hemingway's to spend time with myself. Of course, photo shoots. I could call party because on this phone. Stay tuned for a vlog that's coming your way. Yes, and thank you. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, honey. Thank you guys. Bye. See you later. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry to vlog more. To vlog a couple of months is great. Otherwise, hey bo, hey one bela ba quad. Abafuna ukuhlangu zam, hey bo. I must say, once I vlog, the mall Pamkabantu is very funny. Up until like one man don't get if I'm doing something very weird. So now, see legit, some is the price. I guess it's time to make such I support in your vlog and more. I people. Hey, I come back like I guess free of me clean this now. Whatever it is in that. But anyways, imagine this of filter because I'm here to buy some few jeans and few things that I think I need. So this is how they fit. You're opening a new jean, guys. Look at that. Yo. So not doing into Kavituna. A try on haul. This is shop hauling and really. Nah, it's what this one on my skin. Yeah, but I think it's dirt. I'm definitely going to come back for it. It's Rimmel kind of moisturizing skin tint foundation. I'm not sure if I'm audible enough, but saying I can't tell you much. Just wanna go home. I haven't checked clothes yet, but I'm tired. I am going to go home and
Happy birthday, dear darling. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Hey, Ibri Bure. How old are you now?
Ah, you don't know that. Oh, thank you guys. So now I'm about to go home. You're saving Uber driver. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back from Hemingway's. Been Hemingway's was Sanklanje to shop a few little things and it's like Nita. But I'm back. Oh, I think I'm having a good time, you know, I'm just chilled. India's in you know. So yeah. But now I'm thinking of doing shopping haul. Angazi bakutshona xa ibizwa but ke ndandibona into endizithengileyo bethunana. Yo, I'm not sure if this angle right, but I'm okay, I think right. So the money turns up and down. So I went to many shops. I went to the shoppers in the too, but okay, I only bought from the it was bad essential. So I went to Edgar's. Yes, this is so weird. Did have Edgar's okay, and then I bought these cute sandals. They were 130 and size 4 because kind of size 4. I'm not sure if Nia's born, but Naz Azanfanelia. I Nina. So what's in our manga? I can't wait to wear them. Guys, Azanfanel, Nasadin Bones at Kenya, some Simbi. But Ken is really basic. So I got these. And then I went to confessional Hemingway's. Come and son what an isn't here. Have telling you some really good job, guys. I went to professional and then I got a photo on the pants here too. I'm gonna look because do you like y'all in dish? So I got these in a medium size because when I eat it. No large, but again, for now, eating the sham back. Happens out cheap soon next week. That guys, I can't get long as 10 because Sana in cargo pants. And you think, couldn't be phone. Benginoma ngazithengi phelelwe isikhathi. Bendingeno ngazithengi bandase. So I went to Fashion World. It's in chill. Ndifumene ke phana bendibone another brown cargo pants and it'd be 100 rand car. Imagine. So I got these in what size? Size 34, but guys, and I'm sure it's going to fit me well. Guys, I said, let me go back and show you. Niyabona? How turns around yona. This is my hair between. Yo, ndibodinwa ke. And then I got legit because this is so weekend young English is to buy. I was to buy even look a jean because and now those skinny jeans, these jeans are cool. These baggy jeans, they're tender. But I just thought let me buy a skinny jean. I got 2 beauty blenders between. Do you want to make up? Can't wait to use them. Just want to show you on making a makeup. I think I've got a little surprise for you guys, but I want to later go vlog. But you know, I am not doing anything, but it's a surprise for Nina. Then I got this red or pink. I'm not sure. Hey, I'm saying what? Zinwele zam. I'm saying me. If you makeup ngoku. I'm going to tutorial ngoku. And then maybe by a lot, but I got these things. I got these 2 jeans. There's one 199, but as you 2 320. Yeah, so good 80 rand. So I got this size but kesana regular rise ankle grazer. So let's see again pesante. And sana ilapha maqatheni I feel so tall. But ke ngiyayithanda. It just fits me well. Size 36 between. Ensure I'm large, so nalena a high rise ankle grazer. I think they started because my top is full now. I remember saying when your friend yami yakudala ba I am together like obvious ba there's funny because in general material like because of empty but now for me bulukwe is out up phezu kwamaqatha. So it's this one. Then you find a black, but now let me take this color because the tan believe it true. So that's all. I guess I'm shopping haul and I didn't buy a lot because building a money means. But again, I bought these things. Ben this phone yo. Go look here. I'm not saying anything. Go this somewhere. Can you cook and go? And cause when you go look at imagine like I can't believe it. Oh my god. But okay, anyways, thank you. Bye. Oh, then take comments but I'm not going to tell you. It's going to be a surprise. So bye.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
It's your birthday.
Period.
Happy 21st birthday.
I know it sounds a muhle. Oh, guys, so my sister got me another beauty blender. Then we makeup. And Vincent notebook / this is so cute. So Papa goes in those YouTube. Guys, Isn't she Sunday content, bro? Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I know that I said there won't be any parties, there won't be any dinners, there won't be any, it doesn't all on the 31st, but my parents are taking me out to have dinner with my family because Benten Funindo. So it's fine. I'm really sorry to my friends and everyone else that I didn't invite. I'm so sorry because being a Funindo, but here we are. I'm gonna show you my pet. So as you can see, then I'm going to install. Then I'll show you my fit. It's smart casual, not smart casual, casual. I think probably casual. Nothing too hectic because I'm 21 years young. So nothing serious, nothing hectic. I'm so happy. Guys. Oh, yeah. guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a big day with my girls. So peace out. Because I equal up. Yes. Guys, what a day. One, ocean ogo esinantsika, ogo esibhesha. 2.
Power bank.
Now, part of